Hello, this is Tagene Brown-McBean of Money Coaching Services, and today we are going to talk about budgeting. What is a budget? A budget is a spending plan for your personal finances or for your business. So, I can remember when my mom used to do her budget and writing down her expenses on paper and subtracting from her salary. And when I started working, I started to do the same thing. But after a while, I got frustrated with the budget not being flexible. Writing on paper and then crossing out because things change, the amounts change for whatever reason. So I decided that I didn't want to do my budget on paper anymore. I'm going to use Microsoft Excel. Now, Microsoft Excel was a dream come true compared to doing my budget on paper. I was able to input my salary, subtract my expenses, and explain anything in my budget in what Microsoft had as their comments section for Excel. So that was very good because it allowed me to give a breakdown for any particular expenses which may need any clarification, right? So most people do what is known as a 1 month budget. The problem with doing a 1 month budget is that it's not flexible. You have expenses that we call irregular expenses that you don't have each month. And these are like your car insurance, your house insurance, school fee, all of those wonderful stuff, right? And if you're using a budget, the same one you used in January for July, and in July you have your car insurance to pay, obviously you're gonna have a problem in July because you have not accounted for your car insurance in your budget for January. So how do you deal with this? The wise thing to do is to divide your premium, which is an annual premium, by 12. So each month you should be saving $10,000 per month if your premium is $120,000 per year, right? Towards making the payment for your insurance. What most people do, they wait until July, wait until the premium is due, and then they are scrambling, running to the bank, running to family, running to friends to help them to pay their insurance premium on their car. Now this is very stressful, right? So do a budget where you can actually save towards these expenses. Now you can open an insurance account. So you put all the savings that you have towards your car premium in your insurance account, right? And that will make it much easier for you. Now what I've been using from the other day is a free app in the Google Play Store called MoneyWise. So MoneyWise is a budgeting app, and the budgeting app allows you to be able to budget on the go. So you will always know what balance you have in your account, and you will be able to see how fast you're spending your income, right? And with the budgeting app, say example, the family wants to go to KFC. So you go to KFC, you buy your food, sit down with the family, and then you just input the amount that you spent at KFC in the app, and you will subtract that amount from your income, and you would know what your balance is. The only time your balance will be different from the app is when there are bank charges. So if you have bank charges and bank fees, you'll need to subtract those fees from your expense, from your income, right? on the app, and then voila, your balance would be the same as what you have at the bank. So using the app is very flexible, and it is what I call budgeting on the go, stress-free, easy, ABC 1 2 3. So comment below if you have any questions about this presentation, and if you want any more suggestions as to how to do a better budget. Thank you for watching. Bye.